Welcome to How to Solve.
Hey there! Let's add a widget with a picture on your iPhone. Now, if you want a widget on your home screen of your iPhone and it has a picture or a memory, basically a photo that you've taken that's in your photo gallery, I'm going to show you how to add a widget on your phone. To do that, the first thing that we'll need to do though is make sure you're on iOS 16. So let's hop into settings here, then tap on general, and then look for software update. So update to the latest version. Here you can see I am already on iOS 16. If you're already on iOS 16 or later, you can have this feature already. So what we're gonna do here is just tap and hold on the main screen and tap the plus icon at the top left. Now on here you can search for widgets. But if we swipe all the way down, you can see here photos. I can just tap on that and it gives me a few different options or layouts that I can add in my widget. Like for example, if you have portraits over here, let's say I want to choose this photo. I can actually move it around to wherever I want, just drag it like this. But let's say I'll just leave it here. And then now what will happen is this will change over time and you have different portraits in here, so it can basically remind you of the different pictures that you've taken over the years, and you can just always tap on it and then it will bring up a cool little animation that will walk you through all those pictures that you have been taking. And that's it. That's very simple. That's how we add a widget with a picture on iPhone.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.